bullshit. Back up on the scene. Done dealing with you. Don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you. Don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you. So it seemed like I get so much and don't get nothing back. I really thought it was love, but you're so fucking whack. Always get caught up in love, but now you're done with that. I can't get caught up in love, so now I'm, flexing on my exes and my Model X. Pretty little, skinny, little bitty body Model X. Some of y'all ain't never had no real bitch and it shows. I keep it 100 from my head down to my toes. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the move. Touchdown in my hometown, got nothing to lose. I am on my own now, I am in control now. I need you to go now, I can fix my own crown. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Don't dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. I'm fucking with you, don't know how to love me. I'm dealing with you, so I'm back, bitch. Back on my pussy, back on my dish, you in the studio. Back on tequila, back on the street.
You want to hear something? I promise you. Yeah.
So I should forgive you?
Easy.
But it's fine.
Don't hate me.
Woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on?
XOXO Gospel.
Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you.
Mkojo ninayosikia, we Mungu anajua. Hi guys, quick update. I'm back home and I'm going to bed because I'm tired. So we'll talk tomorrow. And I can't remember where I kept my bonnet. I'll just sleep like this. I just don't care anymore. And yeah, so let me text my sister. I'm already arrived home. I get myself ready for bed. And yeah, so come here, baby.
Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it. Do us. So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessings we are reaping, we coursing on full. But we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all from the life, man. But thank God for the journey to us to the plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah. Blessings fall from our right hand. What's a toast to the friends that they club to be load one time. Sit down in a class and we pour that only see the road and me go on with the road. Word for me, say me tired thing. And you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with credit say I sing, yeah. Jimmy, I'll dig it soon, get the higher ring like hello, brother. Say I just saw ya. Saw you post the spectacular photo. Keep burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your soul. Yeah, falling and live, man. Me have to thank God for the journey to just be the plus. Yeah, but gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall from my right hand.
Hey guys, and today is another day, and today I've started this vlog in the middle of the day because I wanted to show you something. And This is a Pinterest inspired closet, so let me show you. Because this closet is just a DIY. My brother did this for me, so I'm very thankful. At least I have somewhere I can put my clothes and all that. So let me show you. That is how the closet look from a distance, and as you can see, I've already started moving in my clothes. So these are the nightwears. Here I think a quarter of my trousers. And let me show you something. You see this, my brother also made that for me, all of it DIY. So he's not a carpenter, he's just helping me out. And hey guys, so I'm done looking like my problem. So I decided like to install this wig once and for all. And yeah, so let me do it, because this is the only time I have left. Yeah, cut. And tomorrow is Sunday, and that will be the last day of my vlog, because I want this vlog upload it on Monday. So guys, imagine I lost like the transmitter for my microphone. So I'm so much pissed, annoyed, because I have to buy a new one, and I'm currently broke. So this is the wig, yes, the one from last time. I had to comb it yesterday, and yeah, so, and I love this wig.
Yeah, girl, I know you wanna. She's a spice, ride pipe like bike, like Yokohama. She heard the thing bend like banana, so she wanna give me the adunana ni. Oh, yeah. She say I'm a sweeter man, but she say that she don't.
This is how I installed this wig, and yeah, so the installation has come to an end. So I'm not sure if I should end this vlog here or not, but I'm not sure. But yeah, so in case I end it here, bye guys, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for joining me in this journey, and yeah, so bye bye.
Need a man. I say, why don't we make an agreement, then we can just while we're being friends. Girl, I know you wanna, you know I wanna. Girl, I know you wanna.
Good morning. So it's quite noisy because there's a church right opposite this house. So today I wanted to like fold my clothes and put them on that closet I showed you yesterday, the closet, but I want like a layer to be added because I find like, I don't know. So yeah, so I wanted to show you. I've already moved my things, though these are not all the things I've moved. Some are still in that house. So yeah, so I wanted to show you here. Then when I'm done, I'll start like the renovation of the, not renovation, like setting up my bathroom, because it's very empty, nothing at all. So that is the place that I really need to do that when I'm done here. Let me show you the clothes first. So guys, these are the clothes. I'll put them like so. These are the clothes. I really need, they're already folded. The only thing I need to remove them from what they call this, we call them furushis, and yeah, so that's it. So let me start with the work. Hey lovely people, I'm done arranging the closet. So as you can see, this is how the outcome is. These are all my trousers, gym clothes and laces, here skirts, layers, dresses, all this area, and here tops. On top here, this is my innerwears, here bikinis and all that, and here bed sheets, curtains, some clothes for the cold, and yeah, so that's it. And down here, bags and shoes noted. The shoes have not yet arrived. Here down, yeah, the shoes have not yet arrived.